Okay, so I'm gonna try and get the bash bar done. So let's see how far we can get on that. So I just cut out some plates so I'll weld one to the frame rail, and then the other one will have the bash bar welded to it, like the tube will go right on the middle. So this is what we got. There's 4 of them here, and I just got the drill press set up here, so gonna drill some holes. So those are all done, and then we'll get everything, probably just tack weld everything for now, like, well, reasonably sized tacks. So, but yeah, and then we'll also probably get to play with the tubing bender back there, so that'll be sweet. So let's get to this. Alright, so we've drilled all my holes, and we found a bolt that fits in every single one of them, so everything's all lined up. So now we gotta run to Home Depot and get me 4 of these, because I'm gonna bolt this all together and then flap disc all the edges. Alright, I just got this thing done, got all the edges good and flat, they're bolted together, and then I also beveled, cut off an edge, just so that way I know how to align all these. So, alright, now what we're gonna do is go pretty much weld the plate on to the frame rails, so they'll pretty much just get welded on like so. And yeah, so let's get the plates welded on. We'll probably have to recut this one because it's a little cattywampus, so we'll recut that one. But yeah, that's that. All right, well, there they are. I've got them welded up this side, and then the other side. Same thing with that side. When I take the tires off, I'll probably redo that side. Well, probably do the outsides because there's really not that much access. And then eventually I'll do the underside when I feel like getting a shit ton of burns. But yeah, let's see here. Oh, yeah. Yep, so straight back there. So over there. So now I'm not sure what we're gonna get done next. I might try bending the main hoop, or I might start on making those stands. Not sure yet. So let's figure that out. Okay, so I tried using the tubing bender. This stuff was too thin, it didn't bend very well. This stuff's a little bit thicker, but I'm not really happy with that's like barely bent too. So I don't know, I'm not really happy with how it bends. Maybe one day when I have extra, I'll try it on some thicker wall stuff. But at this time, I'm not, because I've only got so much, because this piece is what I got. So that's piping, or this is tubing, and this is piping. So, because this stuff's a little bit bigger, because piping measures from the outside, tubing I think's from the inside. I don't know, science and shit. Oh wait, no, I don't know. I think tubing's on the outside, piping's on the inside. Science and shit. So basically what we're going to do here is, so the bash bar's purpose is obviously, I guess, a bumper. But it's going to just run along this right here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut from here over there, and it's just going to be a straight piece. The only reason why I wanted to do bends is so that way I could get it to bend down in here and go down here to support this. But I can make something else to support this, so that's not a big deal. Which honestly, I probably should make it attached to the bumper, so that way the bumper isn't attached. Make it so the bumper isn't attached to the rear bash bar or any of that. So that way, if I want to just pull the bumper off, I don't have to detach a bunch of other crap. So I guess it works out in the end. But yeah, so let's get that bar cut. And then get the tubes cut. So let's do that. I did end up using it because I didn't want to just do straight, so I got a little bit of bends on each side. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I don't know. It's really hard to fucking tell. But this should do for what I needed to do. So now we need to make those guys and then get everything tacked together and see how that turns out. So let's do that. Got everything tacked in. Can't really see it. Oh yeah, it's all tacked in there. So now I'm gonna take it off and then make sure it looks good, and then weld it up. Well, there it is, all welded up. Now let's put it on. Well, there we just put like a piece of cardboard on there, and it's zip tied to the bar. So the bar's on there. It's on there. It ain't going nowhere. It barely flexes. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.